friends, how you doing? Today's video I'm going to be doing numbers choose my eye makeup. So I will just put all the shades in numbers. There are some shades that don't exist here, they are just gone. This one we have a casualty of one, almost two here, two there, almost one here. This is kind of, I don't know if you can see, just it's there but barely there. And with all the shades I would just put numbers, and then I will run in a computer through Google to tell me different numbers for different places on the lid. So this is not okay, I will have 7 shades, let's say, and maybe let's grab this eyeshadow palette for example, and it gave me 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5, 6, and 7. So well, maybe I can create an eye look like that, but what if this one is a crease shade, and what if this one is a transition shade? What if a shade from the Smoke edition is, I don't know, maybe the transition shade, and a very dark is in the inner part of the lid, so or as a brown highlight. So I really want to choose randomly. I have more palettes here, but there are some things that are not already on sale from these companies here. This is Avon, this is one that is Su Cosmetics that it's so here. There are different looks now, but there are the shades. This one has almost my age. This is my mother's. They have some cool shades there. So with all these palettes and quads, well, I don't have any quad here. Well, wait, no, I don't want to put the quad because the quad is medio that is Spanish. It's not good. So with no further ado, I would just put numbers in all the shadow all the shades, and let's cross fingers for the best. Well, I just sorted out all the eyeshadow palettes in the Excel sheet, and I have 100 shades. So I would just put in this place here 100, and I will, this is when I just put this random number. This is the first number they show. This is not the one that I never press generate. This is in Spanish, but it means generate. So now I will be sorting out in another Excel sheet all the different places of an eye. So when a number shows here, that will go directly to that part of the lid. And why not? I have them here in my hand. I've forgotten the black one. Oh my god. Wait a second. I just put it there. So I have 7. This one has 2 ends, one brown and one a little bit light golden nude. That's how I choose. So I have 7 eyeliners, so I will be randomly choose one as well. So let's have the list. I just put it down here. So the numbers that will be going here. This is kind of what's the lid, the highlight, that is the highlight in the brow bone, in the inner corner, the lower lash, outer half inner, and the lid is inner half and outer. So let's have 100 shades sorted out in this. So the first one, oh, I cannot see that here. The first one is going to be 95. So let me just Well, here is the 95. So let's get another one. So 95, let's generate 73. So 73 here. Inner. I will show you everything, so I don't want to miss out that I'm just cheating. 41 on the half, the lead. 63. There is nothing. I have no idea. Outer, it'll be 51. So 51. 51. So the highlight, this is going to be interesting. 23. I have no idea the shades which are, and the highlight in the inner corner, it will be 7. I have no idea which one it is, but it will be my inner corner highlight. So then I will be figured out which ones are here. So let's generate 72. If there is the same number, I will just sort it out again because I want different shades. 64. 64. So far I don't have any number that was repeated. And 12. That is the last shade. So now I need to check. I will save this, so I'm saving this, and I will be sorted out which shades. I will just put the shades down here, and I will show you the shades I will be using. Just added the eyeliner, which I almost forgotten. We have 7. I just changed here, and it will be the number 5. So, well, I just wrote each one of the palettes. This is how I started just putting some shades in there, so I know exactly which shades are in the palettes. So I just sorted out the City Mini, like the first 3 on top, the last, so I will know exactly where they are. So I will show you the shades. So wish me luck, because I have no idea. As I just mentioned, this one is like 1, 2, and 3, and then 1, 2, and 3. Well, this is just right like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and well, the first one is this is the transition shade. Like you say here, transition shade. There was the 95, my mother's, and that is the location, sorry, the location of the 95 is that one. And the other one is the Revlon Color Charge, the 73. The 73, it will be this one as a crease shade. And that crease shade is this one. This one is the crease shade. So, transition shade, crease shade. Well, as you can see, I'm just preparing the base of my eyelid with some concealer that is not so much left. So I will be using that thing. This video I will just, once I get prepared my eyelid, I was just done the part 1, and yes, I will be like powder my eyelid. I'm using a translucent powder. I didn't try to choose a setting eyeshadow shade because maybe it would be all black and that would be it, because it won't be any room to have any color on top. So yes, that would be very bad. It would be, oh my god, this is all the eyelid, all the shades that I'm using. So, well, now that my base is done, part 2, I will show you again the shades that I'm using, and I see you in a little bit.